Okay, I'm getting ready to go into launch mode for my next masterclass, and I wanted to know what time of day works the best for me to send emails. I'm in Mountain Standard Time, and so I never exactly know what time is the right time. And so instead of guessing and always sending my emails at, 8 a.m. or whatever, I thought I would ask Claude. So I wrote this prompt. I'm getting ready to go into an email launch, and I want to know what is the best time of day for me to send emails. I'm wondering if you could evaluate my Kit emails from January to current, and then I want you to tell me, based on the times, what are the best times. So it pulled in 128 plus completed broadcasts that I've sent since January, and then it gave me a complete breakdown of the best times of day, how many were sent during that period of time, the open rates, the worst time, which is the time that everybody sends their emails, which is 6 a.m. Pacific. And then it told me exactly what the breakdown was. I mean, I could have looked at it myself, but it was nice to have this sweet spot, avoid early mornings. One caveat worth flagging, which I had actually noticed that my open rates were going down a little bit. But, emails fluctuate depending on what you're doing. I thought this was a really great, very simple use case. And I wanted to share this prompt with you. So I'm going to go ahead and paste it in below, and let me know if you decide to try it. And you can also do this, by the way, in Flowdesk. So Flowdesk also has an MCP that allows for this type of like data or metrics analysis. So I use Kit, and the Kit MCP is amazing. I'm going to do a whole video on that. But this is something that I just kind of banged out this morning, and I wanted to share it with you. Okay, I hope you have a great day. Take care.